It's 10:30 and we're about to go to sleep for the night. Someone is not tired though, so hopefully you let us sleep. Here. You're not tired at all? On goes the sock monitor. Alexa, turn my bedroom lamp to 5%. Okay.
Oh, madam.
Thank you. My night always starts with a new fresh water with ice. I get so thirsty when breastfeeding. Alexa, turn off my bedroom lamp. Ooh, that was cute. Say bye, Dada. He just barely fell asleep, and I'm trying to decide if I should get another hour of sleep. Smells like he has a poopy diaper. I think I got a total of 5 hours of sleep. There's our night. Time to get up and get the day started.